LA Colors Nail Polish Remover. My review for you doll faces. Hi, hello, I'm MzPatriciaAnn, and I'm going to be reviewing this product for you guys. I found this at Family Dollar for only $1, and I see it on the shelf and I'm like, I gotta try it out. It's acetone free, which I love. It's LA Colors Nail Polish Remover, strawberry scented, and it's got 32 pads in it. Now, let me go ahead and tell you, my nail polish, I wear nail polish like it's going out of style. All different colors to match my outfits, and sometimes I pick the nail polish off just so I don't have to use regular nail polish. It smells like acetone. I know that sounds stupid, but you know, I'm cheapskate. I like to spend $1 for nail polish remover. I like to spend $1 for my nail polish. So this is like broke bitch styles right here. Yeah, well, I'm going to review this product for you guys and let you know exactly how I feel about it. Now, the pads is very thin. I don't know if I'm just pulling them off another pad and they're supposed to be thicker. It does smell like kind of like a strawberry. It's not like fresh out of the garden, you know, fresh from the store strawberry scent. It is a different scent, but it's not the acetone smell that you get from regular fingernail polish remover. And then one thing I did notice about it that I was kind of iffy about is it's so greasy. Like, it has a lot to do with, I'm sure, the formula, the perfume in it and everything that, you know, gives a strawberry scent, but your fingers are really, really greasy, and it does work though. It does work. But you can always wash your hands afterwards, you know, they ain't no biggie. As long as it gets the nail polish off, that's all that matters to me, and it is working. It does work. It gets the nail polish off. Even that little bit of glitter that's stuck on your nails and everything, it gets it right off. So I wear lots of glitter. I wear thick, caked on nail polish, not even gonna lie, and for this to work, I'm amazed. I am very happy with it. I mean, I do have to spend a little bit of time to get the excess glitter off that's, you know, on the base of my nail, which I should probably use a base coat, and I don't. But yeah, again, hashtag broke bitch style. As you can see, my nails is like damaged from me painting them so much. Well, not really damaged, there's, you know, yellow tinted from so much nail polish on them. But anyway, I am working on my original nails. I don't want to use artificial acrylics anymore, and that's why I paint my nails so much. And this is the nail polish I actually used before using the nail polish remover wipes, and you can see it's just cheap LA colored nail polish, and I got this from the dollar store for $1, just top coat glitter. And I am going to be using LA Colors and the teal color to repaint my nails, because this is not a sponsored video, but it should be. LA Colors, sponsor your girl. I really use a lot of the LA Color products, and just because it's cheap and it's decent quality, so I can't complain. And yeah, pretty much you can see that the LA Color nail polish itself, it does take a couple coats to actually get it to that full effect color that you're looking for in your nail polish. Overall, I couldn't say a bad thing about LA Colors, besides that, you know, it's cheap. If you're on a budget, you like different things, you like to have tons of nail polish. I mean, I got a whole tote full of nail polish just because it's $1 a piece and I can afford it. So guys, I would recommend the LA Colors nail polish remover. Try it out, see how you like it. Like I said, I warn you, it is greasy, but look at my nails. I mean, they look cute. I have like $2 involved in my nails. Perfect for a date night, and I love it. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so, follow all my socials. I do have a website coming soon, but most importantly, I have a giveaway coming very soon. Once I reach 5K subscribers, I'll be giving away a $25 SEPHORA gift card. You don't want to miss out. Subscribe, stay tuned, turn your notifications on, and I will see you in my very next video. As always, guys, I will see you later. Mwah!